Come in, come in.
Okay, come from the other side.
By an individual called as Dean Kamen, and he wanted basically to create a creative world with a fun-filled atmosphere to promote science and technology. So this organization, which is a totally voluntary organization, is called as FIRST. It is for inspiration and recognition in science and technology. And this basically helps us in science, technology, engineering and maths. And then it has got 4 levels, starting with junior FLL, which is for the age of 6 to 9, followed by FLL, which is for 9 to 14. And then after that, there is FTC, FRC, first technology challenge, first robotic challenge. So right now we are doing this junior FLL. Junior FLL it's totally fun driven, it is not competitive. The kids are asked to basically build a model. There is a challenge which is declared at the start of the school year around August-September time frame, and all the groups are supposed to give a solution to that challenge. So this year's challenge was basically how to keep seniors connected, independent and engaged. And I'm very, we are very thankful to Frank, who agreed to be our senior partner. We had a few sessions with him to understand how life was during his childhood, based on which the kids understood what exactly the problem is and how they can help it out. So we had extensive meetings over the last 3 to 4 months, and then the fun part is that this entire process is kids driven. We parents, or even I as a coach, we are here to just facilitate. And I know as a parent, it's very difficult not to poke and just to let them do what they want. But I think all of us as a team have been quite successful in letting them do what they wanted to do. So rather than taking too much of time, I would again explain a few more things to you. But here, the entire thing, right from designing the logo or defining the team name, everything was driven by the team. So I would like now the kids to take the charge. We have not planned, there is no presentation whereby the kids are going to talk one after the other or something like that. So we will ask them questions, we'll let them understand, we'll help them, we'll basically try to understand what did they try to do during the course of this last 3 to 4 months. And just to let you guys know that next weekend, on 9th, we are going to San Francisco. There is going to be an event where we are going to be presenting the model as well as our poster to the people who will be coming over there. So this is will also act as a rehearsal. So even after this session, if you guys want to come and ask individually to the team, it will help them to get themselves prepared for the next week's presentation. Okay? All the best.
Hey guys,
So guys, can
you stand to the side so we can see what you've done? Either side, you can kind of split. What are we looking at?
That's okay. So can you guys talk about, so Richard, can you tell us what was the challenge about and how did you guys go about it? How did you get the information? Whom did you talk to? Can you guys give an idea to the team, to the audience here?
We got ideas from the museum and the Caesar Center. We talked to Mr. Frank about his life to see if that will help us in a challenge. And Mr. Frank gave us idea to make an adjustable height. So we will have an idea to like things to include on the wheelchair instead of just a wheelchair.
So Sean, can you first tell how exactly you guys worked as a team? Can you guys introduce yourself? Can you introduce to your team member?
Introduce everybody that we're looking
I'm
at.
nervous.
No,
That's
don't
fine,
worry.
you're supposed to
We
be
all
nervous.
are nervous, don't worry.
Yeah.
I don't want a person.
So who are your teammates? Just,
I don't want to do it.
no, Sean.
I'll do it.
Sean, just, okay, go ahead.
So this is Vedant.
No, explain about Vedant. Go ahead.
Vedant, favorite sport is badminton, and his favorite color is orange, and his favorite movie is Madagascar 3.
Okay. Vedant, you want to talk about your team member?
So his name means handsome.
No,
His
who
favorite-
is
Who is
it?
Oh,
Where's
Oh,
Sean?
okay.
Son. His favorite sport is soccer. His name means handsome. His favorite video game is Super Mario Bros. His favorite instrument is the electric guitar. His favorite animal is a tiger. Let's see. And Sean. What is that?
Come ahead.
Come forward, come forward.
Step back.
We cannot see you.
There we go.
Very
Where is
short.
the audience? Talk a little louder.
Sean, stand up so they can.
His favorite game is Club Penguin, and his favorite song is the Star Wars.
Okay, Sean, you can talk about William now.
Come,
Okay.
come. No, it's just.
But this is William. William's name means fast. William's favorite video game is Super Smash Bros. Super Smash Bros. Not Bros.
Okay, come on. Keep going.
Can I stop?
No.
Show.
There's a lot we don't know about William.
You can check.
What's his favorite sport?
It doesn't say that. You can tennis.
Yeah, you
He
should-
told me.
Look at it. Yeah. What else? What else?
His second favorite singer is the Oppa Gangnam Style guy. His name is PSY. What the heck?
All right.
Okay.
Sides.
Abhinav.
Okay, Sean.
This is Abhinav. Abhinav's favorite outdoor game is Knockout, and his favorite movie is Madagascar 3. His favorite
So,
color is
can you
red,
move?
and his favorite
Sean, can you straight?
subject in school is math. And his favorite animal is a lion. His name means new.
New.
Yes, Abhinav.
Okay, this is Richard. His name means healthy and strong. His favorite computer game is Minecraft. His favorite movie is Madagascar 3. His favorite food is sushi. And his favorite sport is basketball.
Pause for me because I'm tying my shoe.
Yeah, everything is paused, don't worry.
Yay!
So what are we looking at here?
Looking at the
Guys,
model and our wheelchair, what we did. How does it work?
so Abhinav, can you tell us what exactly we learned from Frank? How did you guys decide to do the model? What model you guys have what model you guys have designed? Can you tell us about that?
So we have designed a wheelchair. We decided to add some pieces to it. So basically we built a wheelchair.
Can you pull the wheelchair out so we can see it? It's kind of mixed in there.
Maybe you can go on that side so you're like.
Yeah, so the parents on this side can see. This is split up.
Oh,
here.
that's okay then. You
There we
can
go.
stay this side then if you want.
Hey, two guys on the other side.
Okay.
Just stand back so people can see.
Go Richard, go. Richard, go.
Here we go.
Okay, good.
Sean, are you done?
No, I'm trying my other